Hey Bobcats, I want to show you how to make a screencast video. So I'm actually making two videos all at the same time. I'm going to make a screencast video, and I'm also using my iPad to record how I do this. So at the end, I'm going to publish both videos and put them on my Makerspace thing so you can see how it all works. All right. So right here I'm in My Media. I will click on record. All right. I want to hit screen and then next. Right, it's always going to ask me what mic I want to use. I suppose if I was wearing a headset or something like that, or had an external microphone of some sort, I could pick that. But most of us are just going to use this default microphone. I'm going to hit next. All right, this gets a little tricky, but I want to share my entire screen. I'm going to click on this little picture of my screen right there in the middle, and I'm going to hit share. All right. I want to close this, but I don't want to hit the stop button. That's going to stop me recording. I'm going to click on the X, all right? And then I'm actually recording right now. You saw that count of 3, 2, 1, okay? Now, here is what I want to show you. All right, I'm going to go through the steps real fast. All right, so how to make a screencast video by Mr. Dunlap. All right, so step by step. I've already showed you most of the steps. So step 1, I go to My Media, I'm going to click record, and then screen, and then next. I'm going to pick my mic, and then I'm going to hit next again. All right, remember I showed you I want to hit an entire screen, and then share. That says next, but it says share. I'm sorry, I typed the wrong thing. Right? Remember that white button that popped up? I click the X, I do not hit stop. When the countdown is over, then I'm going to, well, that's so funny, that doesn't even make sense. Then I'm going to go over to the tab that I want to record, and I'm going to walk through my steps. I'm going to try to talk slowly. I'm going to make sure that my people have a chance to see what I need to do. Sometimes I might want to repeat myself, okay? It's okay to go slowly. Step 4, when I'm all done recording, I'm going to click down here by the clock. I'm going to click down here by the clock, and I'm going to stop this. I'm not going to do it quite yet because I'm not ready. Okay? I'll show you that in just a little bit. Once the video saves, I can edit just like any other video, and we'll do that in just a second. And then you'll earn that badge when you let me know that you see it. All right, so let's go out of here. Let me hit stop. Go back to eVideo, and now I'm given the option to save this. Okay. Look at that, it already just dragged everything right in there, which is pretty cool. I want to cut this out so that you're only going to see how to make a screencast video by Mr. Dunlap, okay? So how to make a screen. You don't need to see all that other junk, right? You don't need to see me closing stuff and all that. You need to see real fast. Boom. That's where we want to start. So I'm going to cut out that stuff in the beginning. Trash can that, or backspace. Drag this over to the beginning, into there. Alright, so how to make a screencast video by Mr. Dunlap. Alright, so and then at the end, go out of here. I can cut all this out. Okay, I can put in text. try to put that in there. And at the end, we should put the bobcat. It's under shared. I want to make sure the bobcat is the right size. I'm going to go back over here because this is actually pretty ugly. That color does not work well at all. So I'm going to change the color to something that's a little prettier, like that. Alright, I'm going to hit finish. I'm going to give it a name that makes sense. Set, HD, export, and there you have it. When it's all done, make sure you share it with me so that I can see it and give you a badge. Alright, have a great day, Bobcats.